Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your OPPO A5x. So first, what you guys want to do is basically check the volume during a call using these side buttons. So you got these side buttons on the right side, and here, as you guys can see, we can change the volume. And when we are in a call, we will be able to change the call volume. But while we're not in a call, as you guys can see, let me show you in these settings. We go to sound and vibration. Here we do not have the call volume, so we cannot change the call volume here. It's only available when we are in an active call. And if you still got no sound during calls, then go over to settings and here go over to Bluetooth. Now make sure that no device is connected to yours, because that means the audio might be routed to another device and not the speaker or generally the earpiece. So now after we disabled the Bluetooth, what we can do is we can actually clean the earpiece with a soft brush. So basically what you want to do is you got it right here, right up top. And you want to clean it gently with a soft brush. Don't use anything metallic, you can only make things worse. And then after you clean that up, then you can hop on a call or, for example, another app. So you guys can call somebody from the phone app by default on the phone, or simply call somebody on a different application to see if it's for only an app or it's the problem for an entire phone. So after that, if nothing else worked, you guys can restart your phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now after you do that, simply scroll up to restart. And now the phone is restarting, so I'll see you guys once it's ready to use. So now after the restart, what we can do is we can reset the phone entirely. So what I mean about that is when we still haven't fixed the problem yet, even after all the methods we've been through, then we can try and factory reset it as a last resort. So here, as you guys can see, we are in the settings. Now let's scroll down until you guys see the system and updates. Now here in the system and updates, we will have the backup and the reset. And first, I would recommend backing up your device so you don't lose any important data like your mails, passwords, notes, files, and etc. And after that, click reset phone, click erase all data. Now enter the lock screen. And here we will need to click on clear, and the phone will be restored to factory settings. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.